Do you want to loosen your hair and have this final result? After doing the rubber band method, obviously, according to the title. Please stay tuned to this video, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and enjoy. Hey guys, it's been 2 weeks since I made my last hair. I mean this hair, and today I am currently taking it out. And so I decided to make a video of how to take out rubber banded hair. So if you watch my previous video on how I made this hair, you see how I applied the rubber band without dipping it in oil, as some people actually advise, and here is the results. I just pulled off the rubber band from this one. This is my Texlax hair, guys. It feels so sweet and good. I would advise you to Texlax your hair if it's being too stubborn or too naughty. So yeah, it's growing healthy and fine. So yeah, these ones, the rubbers are yet to come off. The rubbers are still on them, so I left them on so I can show you how I actually took off these ones. So all you need to do is first loosen the hair. Okay, I wasn't losing anyone yet, so I have this one to run through. So loosen the hair first. So this is how to loosen the braid itself. Take this, roll it off. Yes. And as usual, I'm Netflixing and braiding my hair. So once you get to the end, you just need to pull it out. And that's all. It's off. It's off. Then after loosening the hair, the next thing you want to do is to pull off the rubber band. Hold the hair out straight. Put your fingers in the middle beneath the rubber band. And ta-da! Let's try this one. So I just do this. See, it's free and it comes out. See, so easy. This one came out so easy. Let's try another one. Hold on to the hair this way. Just hold and stretch out the strand. Hold the bottom from the bottom. And there you go. Pull it out. Another one. Here we go. Hold the hair strand just like this. Put your finger at the bottom. Let it come to the middle. And you pull it out. Another one. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Easy peasy, easy peasy. Yeah, and on this hair I have 24 strands. So like this. I hope this is showing you properly. Put your hands below and drag it out. Easy peasy, easy peasy. The hair you've seen is mainly the attachment. So on this side too, the same thing. Drag out the hair. Put your hands beneath and pull it out. So if you want to see how I actually inserted this, I'll put it in the description below, the link of how I made this hair. So this part too, just so easy, comes out easy. So while the hair was in this, I made sure I was spraying it almost daily, not daily as I would if it was just my hair, because you know it's already in a protective style, but I was always spraying it with oil, water, and my leave-in conditioner. So all this I mixed in a bottle already. So all I needed to do was just spray it on the roots, not on the hair, because though sometimes it touches the full length hair, moisturizes it, but most times it's mainly the root I focus on. So that's why the hair is looking all glossy, healthy and shiny. I've been told a couple of times I might have dandruff. I don't know if they're still there. But yeah. So the hair is not even mated, like it's so easy to manage. So I'll continue doing all this, and yeah, stay tuned. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content like this. Let me know your thoughts and your view, and also share to someone who is thinking of making braid with the rubber band method but is scared of making use of it because of taking it out. So here I am, done with it, and thanks once again for watching. Peace out.